ഇന്നിവിടെ ഡിസ്കസ് ചെയ്യുന്നത് ജനമൈത്രി അഗ്രികൾച്ചർ കോഓപ്പറേറ്റീവ് സൊസൈറ്റിയുടെ എക്സാമിന്റെ ക്ലർക്ക് കാഷ്യർ അക്കൗണ്ടന്റ് ഈ എക്സാമിന് ചോദിക്കാൻ സാധ്യതയുള്ള PDF ക്വസ്റ്റ്യനും അതിന്റെ ആൻസറുമാണ്. ഇത് പാർട്ട് 6 ആണ്. പാർട്ട് 5 വരെയുള്ള ഭാഗങ്ങൾ നേരത്തെ തന്നെ അപ്ലോഡ് ചെയ്തിട്ടുണ്ട്. ഇതിന്റെ ലിങ്ക് ഡിസ്ക്രിപ്ഷൻ ബോക്സിൽ കൊടുത്തിട്ടുണ്ട്. കാണാത്തവരുണ്ടെങ്കിൽ അതുകൂടി കാണുക. Question number 1. In which year ICA approved with 6 principles? Answer 1966. Question number 2. FERA has been passed in the year. Answer 1973. FERA stands for Foreign Exchange Regulation Act. Question number 3. The Chief Executive shall prepare and submit the voters list duly approved by the committee to electoral officer within dash days prior to date of election. Answer 35. Chief Executive voters list prepare ചെയ്ത് കമ്മിറ്റിക്ക് മുമ്പാകെ സബ്മിറ്റ് ചെയ്യണം. കമ്മിറ്റി അപ്രൂവ് ചെയ്ത് കഴിഞ്ഞാൽ ഇലക്ഷന് 35 ദിവസം മുമ്പ് ഇലക്ടറൽ ഓഫീസറിനെ സമർപ്പിക്കണം. Question number 4. An execution petition has to be filled before dash under KCS Act. Answer Register of Cooperative Societies. Question number 5. Dash is a proportion of secondary or supplementary reserve to total depositors maintained by the commercial bank. Answer SLR. SLR means Statutory Liquidity Ratio. ഒരു കൊമേഴ്സ്യൽ ബാങ്കിൽ സൂക്ഷിക്കേണ്ട സെക്കൻഡറി അല്ലെങ്കിൽ സപ്ലിമെന്ററി റിസർവ് ആണ് സ്റ്റാറ്റ്യൂട്ടറി ലിക്വിഡിറ്റി റേഷ്യോ. പ്രൈമറി റിസർവ് എന്ന് പറയുന്നത് ഏതാണ്? ക്യാഷ് റിസർവ് റേഷ്യോ ആണ്. അത് സൂക്ഷിക്കേണ്ടത് റിസർവ് ബാങ്ക് ഓഫ് ഇന്ത്യയിലാണ്. Question number 6. The first collective farm organized in Bulgaria was at. Answer Koshov. Question number 7. Dash is registered under Multi Cooperative Societies Act. Answer NAFED. 8. The person to whom the guarantee is given is called. Answer creditor. Person to whom the guarantee is given is called creditor. Question number 9. The procedure to conduct of election of members in managing committee in rule. Answer 35A. 35A അനുസരിച്ചാണ് ഒരു മാനേജിംഗ് കമ്മിറ്റിയുടെ ഇലക്ഷൻ പ്രൊസീജിയറിനെ വിവരിക്കുന്നത്. Question number 10. Return adverse is also called. Answer purchase return. Return adverse is also called purchase return. Question number 11. National Stock Exchange of India was incorporated. Answer 1992. National Stock Exchange of India was incorporated 1992. Question number 12. Subscription received in advance during an accounting year. Answer liability. Subscription received in advance ഒരു liability ആണ്. Question number 13. Revenue receipt of a non-profit making organizations are recorded in. Answer income and expenditure account. Revenue receipt of non-profit making organizations are recorded in income and expenditure account. Question number 14. Nordic is a cooperative consumer society in. Answer Denmark. Nordic is a cooperative consumer society in Denmark. ഇവിടെയാണ് പറയണേ. Question number 15. Dash accounting concept does not agree with making provisions for discount receivable. Answer prudence. Question number 16. The competent authority responsible for producing a cooperative society for audit is? Answer, Secretary. Question number 17. Rural Consumer Scheme is sponsored by? Answer, NCDC. Rural Consumer Scheme is sponsored by NCDC. Question number 18. A society shall convene the first annual general body meeting with 3 months after obtaining registration. രജിസ്ട്രേഷൻ കഴിഞ്ഞ് 3 മാസത്തിനകം ഫസ്റ്റ് ആനുവൽ ജനറൽ ബോഡി മീറ്റിംഗ് നടത്തിയിരിക്കണം. Question number 19. Possession of security with the banker in the case of? Answer, pledge. സെക്യൂരിറ്റിയുടെ കൺട്രോൾ ബാങ്കിന്റെ കയ്യിലാവുന്നത് പ്ലെഡ്ജിനാണ്. Question number 20. Dash method do we use for depreciating tools? Answer, revaluation method. Question number 21. Under the crop loan system, C component denote? Answer, additional cash component. ഈ crop loan സിസ്റ്റത്തിൽ A component എന്ന് പറയുന്നത് ക്യാഷും B എന്ന് പറയുന്നത് കൈൻഡും C എന്ന് പറയുന്നത് അഡീഷണൽ ക്യാഷ് കോമ്പോണന്റുമാണ്. Question number 22. The term git-edged means? Answer, of the best quality. The term git-edged means of the best quality. Question number 23. Expand IPO. Answer, initial public offering. Question number 24. VMAP was developed by? Answer, NPCA. VMAP was developed by? Answer, NPCA. NPCA stands for, എന്താണ് NPCA എന്ന് പറയുന്നത്? നാഷണൽ പേയ്മെന്റ് കോർപ്പറേഷൻ ഓഫ് ഇന്ത്യ. Question number 25. Government securities where the date of maturity is specified are known as? Answer, dated government securities. Government securities where the date of maturity is specified are known as dated government securities. Question number 26. As per the 19th livestock census, the highest number of crossbred cattle was recorded in dash district in Kerala state. Answer, തിരുവനന്തപുരം. 19th ലൈവ്സ്റ്റോക്ക് സെൻസസ് അനുസരിച്ച് ഹയസ്റ്റ് ക്രോസ്ബീഡ് കാറ്റിൽ റെക്കോർഡ് ചെയ്തിട്ടുള്ളത് എവിടെയാണ്? തിരുവനന്തപുരത്താണ്. Question number 27. Liquidity adjustment facility is introduced by? Answer, RBI. Liquidity adjustment facility is introduced by RBI. Question number 28. The year of Depositors Act. Answer, 1996. Question number 29. Commercial papers refers to? Answer, short-term unsecured promissory note. Commercial paper refers to short-term unsecured promissory note. Question number 13. Certificate of deposit introduced in India in? Answer, 1989. Certificate of deposit introduced in India 1989. Question number 31. Minimum lock-in period of certificate of depositors is? Answer, 7 days. Question number 32. Then a money is borrowed or lent for more than day and up to 40 days is called? Answer, notice money. Question number 33. Which committee recommended that all call money market in India should be made purely in interbank market? Answer, Narasimha Committee. Question number 34. How many stock exchanges are there in India? Answer, 23. Question number 35. National Stock Exchange was set up at behest the Government of India based on their recommendation laid out by the answer Bhavani Committee. Question number 36. Management of SEBI included dash members from RBI. Answer 1 member. Question number 37. How many parties are there in a transaction for forfeiting? Answer 3. Question number 38. Art in the Ferra. Answer 1973. Question number 39. The differences between rate at which the interest is paid on deposit and is charged on loan is called. Answer spread. Question number 40. Section 58 of Transfer of Property Act. Answer mortgage. Transfer of Properties Act in Section 58 പറയുന്നത് മോർഗേജിനെ കുറിച്ചാണ്. Question number 41. In the case of mortgage, relationship between borrower and bank. Answer mortgager, mortgagee. Borrower mortgager, bank mortgagee ആയിരിക്കും. Question number 42. Liquidity adjustment facility is recommended by. Answer Narasimhan Committee on Banking Reforms. The liquidity adjustment facility recommend ചെയ്തത് നരസിംഹം കമ്മിറ്റി ഓൺ ബാങ്കിങ് റിഫോംസ് ആണ്. Question number 43. Equitable mortgage is also known as. Answer mortgage by deposit to title deeds. Equitable mortgage is also known as mortgage by deposit of title deeds. Question number 44. Electronic clearing service debit scheme is introduced by. Answer RBI. Electronic clearing service debit scheme is introduced by RBI. Question number 45. Rural Infrastructure Development Fund was set up with NABARD in. Answer 1995 to 96. Rural Infrastructure Development Fund was set up with NABARD in 1995 to 96. Question number 46. Headquarters of Pradhama Bank is the first RRB. Answer Uttar Pradesh. First regional rural bank ആയ പ്രഥമ ബാങ്ക് സിറ്റുവേറ്റ് ചെയ്യുന്നത് എവിടെയാണ്? ഉത്തർപ്രദേശിലാണ്. Question number 47. ICA created Indian National Cooperative Entrepreneurship think tank. Answer 2018. Question number 48. First Indian National Cooperative Congress held in. Answer August 1895. First Indian National Cooperative Congress held in August 1895. Question number 49. Which is a national federation of agriculture cooperative association in Japan? Answer Senhoku. Which is a national federation of agriculture cooperative association in Japan? Senhoku. Question number 50. Chief Executive of NCDC. Answer Managing Director. The Chief Executive of NCDC, Managing Director.